Hey guys, so I'm back again with my third video out of the ColorCl contact lens videos. So today I will be showing to you another pair that I did purchase, and they are from the Lucid Dream collection on ColorCl. So the color I'll be showing to you are a different type of contact lens. I would say they're more of a circle lens, but either way I don't want to ramble too much and I'm going to get into it. These are the largest contact lenses I have purchased ever. So the base curve is at 8.6 and the diameter is a whopping 15. So yeah, of course it came in the black box. It did come with a case, which I have contacts and contact solution, and I pulled it out of this pack, and it might not have focused on the camera, but either way we're gonna get into it. So for the people who have been watching my videos, I have naturally dark brown eyes, as you can tell. I do not have any makeup on, so this is going to be the pure form of these contacts, okay? So yeah. These are my natural eyes. And this is the contact lens. It is Espresso review. It is Espresso, so it has a dark I believe it's called a lumber ring. It has a dark ring, and in the inside it is pretty much a tan color. So that's what makes them Espresso. So yeah, I'll put all the specs up on the screen of these contact lenses. So these are the lenses. For them to be so large, they are very comfortable. So yeah, I'm liking these. Red. This isn't my first time trying these on because I was super excited to have them, but I actually like them this time around putting them in. I like them now, but when I first put them in, they seemed very weird to me, and I'm gonna show you why. So getting up close, you can see the glare. You can see that there is a dark outer ring, and then in the inside near the pupil there is this tan color. It's like this weird tannish gray or brownish gray color that it doesn't actually ombre. Is very distinct. So like my other videos, I have found the window with the sunlight, and these are the lenses in natural lighting. The inner ring looks a little bit lighter than they did in the artificial lighting. It looks a little more gray than tan. And the outer ring is super dark. It's just straight black. So, yeah. These are what the lenses look like. And as far as size, you can tell the size difference, but they look natural when you have, not natural, but it looks pretty normal when you have both of them in. So yeah, I don't think it's too dramatic of a difference. These are some very playful lenses. So you guys, I've shown you these contacts in natural lighting as well as me putting them in my eyes. I do have dark brown eyes. That is my natural eye color. So the lenses that I have on are from the Lucid Dream collection, and they are the Expresso. Yeah, Expresso. And they are the 15mm diameter, which are the largest contact lenses I've had on my channel whatsoever. So yeah. And these are the contacts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will bring to you more contacts that I have purchased from ColorCl, and I will also be making videos on some newer contacts that are not from the ColorCl website whenever they get to me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya. So I do have dark brown eyes, in case you don't know. So this is the difference between my right eye and my left eye. This eye is my natural brown color, and this is the romance Mandarin. You can see a difference. It's nothing that's too